Hello guys, One Key Car Garage here again. What we're doing today, we're gonna change the fuel filter on this 2002 Acura RL. So the first thing is first, pop the gas tank to release the pressure, and you take the gas cap off. And this should be a pretty straightforward process. This is a replacement part here. It's a Amazon part. I'll lay some protective towels down here, so for the spillage of the gas. And as you're looking at the motor, it's going to be on the driver's side. So on the as you're facing the vehicle, it's going to be to the right, or where the steering wheel is positioned. It's going to be on that side, and back on the firewall. And this is the replacement here, and that looked like it should match up. And the tools that we have today, we're going to be using this wrench here to hold on to this while we pull the top up here. That's going to go on that fitting. But before that, we're going to need to release this nut right here. And then we use the 17mm on here, and it should come loose, and we should have this replaced in no time. So guys, I'll get back with you, show you the finished product. All right.